Hey guys, our pantry project is well underway, and I wanted to just throw a little clip up here. So I had to remove an outlet, and we were going to reroute that wire. So I drilled through the stud there and came through the wall. And eventually, when we get this front wall built, that wall will come around to a switch, and then it will go up to the ceiling joists, where I'll have a box mounted for a light. I'm not sure what light we're putting in here yet, but in the process, I believe I may have kicked out the breaker in my garage. That's a bad thing, and I'll tell you why. We have a freezer out there that's full of chicken meat. Have you guys ever seen spoiled chicken? Let's go take a look. Yeah, as you can see, the lights are all on and everything is looking okay. We got all our lumber here for the project that's going on in the kitchen. And yeah, we got the 53 Farmall Cub Tour part. Yeah, so here are our freezers. Let's take a look. But the spoiled chicken I'm talking about, it's not in here. It's out here.